Okay, so this is one way that you have not been utilizing AI, and I'm sure that you are not utilizing AI like this. Now, this video is for you if you are a student. Okay, let me just go quickly. Do you know that a lot of students, and I work with a lot of students, right? The only way they use AI, or the only way they know how to use AI, is for assignments. So they'll go on ChatGPT, which is obviously the most popular one. They'll go there and say, or they'll just go there and paste their assignment question, and then it formats all the generic stuff for them, and then they copy and paste it like that. Well, that is not even my bone of contention in this video. But in this video, what I want to share with you is a way to prep for exams as a student. Now, I'm going to be role playing. I'll assume that I am a student and that I'm preparing for an exam, right? I'm going to show you exactly how I will prompt my AI and get the information that I think I have overlooked, or to know how prepared I am for the exam. Are you going to work with me on this? Now, if you find it helpful, you find it interesting and intriguing, please, what I want you to do for me is to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you comment also. Tell me I love this, or okay, I'm gonna try this, or mention somebody that needs it, or you could even tell me what you want me to talk about in the next video. Okay, with that said, let's dive in. I'll be role playing and I will be sharing my screen. I'm not hiding anything from you. Ngwanu, let's go. Very first thing is you head on to chatgpt.com, like www.chatgpt.com. Now I have an account, and so I can easily get talking with my AI assistant, right? Now, I would advise that you also create your own account, because when you create your own account, it tends to remember your previous conversations. You get to build more on previous things that you've talked about, right? So all right, with that said, let us go. So I am a student, right? I'm role playing right now that I'm a student. I'll say hello GPT. I am preparing for an exam. Hello GPT, I am preparing for an exam. I have my study materials intact. I have gone through the material, right? But I do not know how prepared I am. So continue. I want to upload the material now. You would role play as my tutor or lecturer or whoever, right? And formulate questions from the material for me. I want to test my ability to pass the exam. Okay, so let's see what it's going to do for us. So I'm going to be uploading. You see this plus button right here? I hope you can see it. So you see that plus button right there? Click on it and you upload it, right? You click. Okay, so hello GPT, I'm preparing for an exam. I have my study materials intact. I have gone through the materials, but I do not know how prepared I am. I want to upload the material now. You would role play as my tutor or my lecturer or my course, whoever, and then you formulate questions for the materials for me. I want to test my ability to pass the exam. So let's go on to upload our file. I'm going to look through my folder now. So you know how to upload it. I use the plus button. Okay, I use the plus button and let's download. Let me look for just a random. term paper. This is a term paper. I'm going to upload and I'm going to upload it right now. So pam 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 pam. We are here, right? Okay, so it is loading. As you can see, it is loading here. All right, let's see what happens. 50 questions. So formulate 50. Let's be specific in our ask. Okay, that's uploaded. So hello GPT, I want you to formulate 50 questions, right? That's what we are doing. And then let's see. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Now, please mind you, this is not something I'm studying. I don't even know the material, what it is about, but I know it's a 10 paper on, I don't know, but it's not mine, it's not related to me, right? So, but let's just see how it helps, okay? Okay, so perfect. It says practice questions on pentose phosphate pathway. I think that's the topic of that work, right? So it goes multiple choice, pick the correct answer based on what is in that material that I uploaded, right? So it is like dishing questions out. Now, these are my practice questions. Question one, the pentose phosphate pathway is also known as the primary role of the PPP is in which part of the cell does this blah 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 occur? The enzyme glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase was originally called, right? So it generates questions from what it even has. Wow, beautiful. It has the objective 1 to 10 objective questions. 11 to 20 is short answer. So explain why PPP is considered anabolic rather than catabolic. Differentiate between the oxidative and non-oxidative branches of the PPP and all that. Then the next one is fill in the blanks, more like subjective questions. So section C is fill in the blanks, subjective questions. Section D, true or false. And section E, long answer. So you see, you could generate as much as 100 questions and all that to prep up for your exam. So is this something you want to try out with your friends? See, did you enjoy it? Yeah, so if you enjoyed it, please use the comment section. Tell me, am I going to practice? Are you going to practice this with your friends? Tell me what you want me to talk about next in the next video. Share it with people you know, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.